If your Instagram account has been disabled, simply follow these steps to recover it. Firstly, determine why your account was disabled. Violating Instagram's community guidelines or terms of services, posting inappropriate content, suspicious activity or security concerns, or simply using third party apps or automation tools. Then, once you know how your account was disabled, go and check for Instagram's notifications. Open the Instagram app or visit the website and then attempt to log in. Then, if your account is disabled, you will see a notification informing you. Then, read the message very carefully for information on why it is disabled. Now, appeal the decision. After all this, all you have to do is go to any web browser and search for the Instagram support, and there visit Instagram's Help Center official website. Now, from the left hand side, tap on the icon login option from the login and passwords. Then tap on the visit this site from the disabled Instagram account. Now, tap on the my account was disabled. Now tap on the next. Then if you think your account was disabled by mistake, you can simply choose on that and tap on the next. Now, you can see, was this helpful option available there? Tap on the no. Then again tap on the my account was disabled or my account was hacked from that option. Then fill out the form by writing down full name, email link to your account, username, a brief explanation why your account should be reinstated, and submit the form and wait for a response. Avoid submitting multiple requests within a short period. Then wait for a response. It may take a few days to weeks for Instagram to review your appeal and check your email regularly for updates. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.